Rear up! Rear up! Step on! Run! Fire! Let's go, let's go, let's go!
U.S. Marines and sailors with the 10th Marine Regiment, 2nd Marine Division, keep the citizens of Fort Bragg, North Carolina awake at night while flexing their skills through the use of artillery. Exercises are conducted twice a year by bringing in artillery and supporting assets such as the Communications Battalion, Transportation Support Battalion, and Training Support Center. The regiment successfully transported 22 M777 towed 155mm howitzers and more than 1,000 troops from Camp Lejeune, North Carolina, to the fields of Fort Bragg. The regiment conducted exercise Rolling Thunder 21 to Fort Bragg, October 9th to 13, 2020. Rolling Thunder is a large-scale exercise that integrates all battalions in the regiment to demonstrate their ability to maneuver and operate to further enhance their combat effectiveness. All battalions in the regiment can maneuver with each other and operate together during fire missions.
Alpha Juliet 0033.
During the 5-day exercise, the regiment fired more than 5,000 rounds and carried out various movements, both at night and during the day. As the evolution of the Marine Corps progressed, training also improved. Drills conducted at regimental level became the norm, and many battalions increased their lethality when operating together. Over the years, artillery has been used to establish dominance in Iraq, Syria, and Afghanistan. As warfare continues to change, it is critical that Marines conduct exercises as large as Rolling Thunder to adapt and stay ready for the next generation. Mission success is the ultimate goal of operations, both domestically and abroad. Rolling Thunder is just another example of how the Marine Corps continues to prepare to win future wars.
I see my clear! I see my closet! Which close? Where's my slide? Stand on! Fire! Hey, let's get 3 more rounds, fused up! You go! Jeep check. Go! Fire and ready, FTC call. 2 rounds, Charlotte, Chief Law, Bravo, Deltron, 4 Fuse, PD. Deflection 3207, quadrant 362. Transformation verified. Ready, drop. 1 set. Deflection ready. That's what I'm talking about, Jones. Hey, I see my clear.
Fire mission received on 5. Target ID Alpha Lima 2521.
Which corner? Where's my slide?
No, no, baby. Woo.
Quadrant.
What's that?
Deflection 3207.
3207 verified.
Quadrant 362.
362 verified.
Step on.